Meaning of hoarse.
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 Hoarse. The word hoarse is used to describe a rough, harsh, and strained quality of the human voice that often results from excessive use or illness. When someone's voice is hoarse, it may sound raspy or croaky, making it difficult to speak clearly or sing in tune. This condition is typically caused by inflammation or irritation of the vocal cords, which can be brought on by a variety of factors, including colds, allergies, acid reflux, smoking, or overuse of the voice. Treatment may include rest, hydration, humidification, and medication, depending on the underlying cause of the hoarseness.